Big blue flash ML. These are not that bad. Those ones are not too bad. Maybe to pass the MOT that side. But this is the outer one. Which is one more than the other one. Not too bad on this side compared to that side. So, you can see that. There's the pad there, and that one is okay. But this one, it's nice and free. It's not seized in or anything. It's all naked. Oh, slides are free. Everything's free. So, this one's got stuck somehow. We'll see. Knee pads are coming. I think at some point in this life something's got jammed in there. That's all chewed up. Should be okay. Should be okay, but something must have got jammed in there. There's now. Something must have. It's only one. It's been done. It's been stuck. So, diagnostic on Sprinter van, blue flash, no screen wash working. Watch this. So that's me pressing and holding the stock. You can see it flashing away. I don't know why it's flashing, mind you. Is it a duty cycle? Does it just go squirt, squirt, squirt? The Mitsubishis used to do that. If you pulled the stock a certain way, if you pulled it a couple of times quickly, that's what it did. It would give you squirt, 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 squirt as you were going along the road. I'm not sure if that's how that's meant to work, but it's not working at all in the pump anyway. So, new pump probably. A Vasher pump. So that's the plug. Goes down to that one. Down onto there. Push bash bosh. Plug these in. New one. Try and get my. God. Right, so we'll see if we can. Right. So, that's not going to work. Right. See what I means. She's not going to fit because of that rub down there. I mean, I could cut that off, but I really don't want to. I'd rather just get the one that fits. So it won't go in because of that rub, basically. And that looks probably a bit right. Aye, one pipe coming out it. That probably looks right, other than that bit. Right, look at this quality. Oh, aye. Still no went. There we go. Jesus. So, this is the old shocker. We're punching right through that. This is the top mounting. We need this bit. This is a bit we need. Unfortunately, it didn't come on a new one. So we tried to separate the mount from the original shock absorber, and it just, well, you can see how tight that was. We are using a 15-ton press. It just shows you how tough that bit of metal works, but in there, isn't it? Aye, there we go. Hopefully that's it now. Hopefully now. Chat about it, yeah. Thankfully it comes with a new nut, the shock absorber. Okay. So, right. Yeah, it's separating. Happy days. Happy days. Right. Okay, there it's all been there. All that rot, all that crustacean. Right, so that's the mountain. That's the mountain for them. That's the mountain. So this goes on the top. This big washer goes on the top of there. Then the nut. And then, well, the actual plate for the mountain's up near the press somewhere. So that's the new one. That's the new OE equivalent. So, as you can see how it goes. So, and we're going to, obviously the shocker doesn't have that plate, so we need to reuse that. Thankfully that took some going to get that moving. So, aye, and then we still get this rubber bit to go off. You can see all the rot. You can see why. You can see why it wasn't easy. So, it was just this. Yeah, you can see all the rot in it. To be honest with you, you can see all the rot in it. The actual shock absorber itself is not leaking, and it's still absorbing the shock, but there's excessive play in this when you jack it up on the bottom arm. That's how you jack these. These have got a kind of tossing leaf spring, so it's like a leaf spring that kind of, that's right over the front there. That's how it works. You can actually see it in there. You see it? So it's like a big, huge leaf spring that goes right to the other side. And then you've got this big strut here with the big hydroelastic kind of rubberized urethane, whatever it's made out of, bush. No, hydroelastic, don't listen to me. So, there's what it bolts into. You can see we've got a bungee that's holding the brake caliper up. So the door we've checked, okay. So new pads in there. There and that. There and there, just can't see through the wheel. So new pads, service, screen wash pump, that's done. That's working as well. So aye, nearly there. Just had to wait for that part. So now we've got it, we can get it all swapped. Aye, fun and games. Okay. Went a bit ski with. All that we need is this bloody plate. Oh, I've bent all that plate. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. Oh. Right. Hey, come on. There we go. All that. That's what we need. And what happens if you don't put this plate back on, guys, is your shock absorber be in your dashboard. So, it should be okay.